take that and it pops into place. So you give it a little turn, it pops out. The other side is a little short, so we gotta work on it a little bit. Get it. That side shorter than that side. But he gives him a warning ticket for it and says, need to get that fixed. Of course, my son and my wife both tried to get those screws out and didn't get anywhere. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's broke.
Yeah, that side's broke.
That's special. The other side's cracked too, babe. See it?
But gave him a warning ticket. Said he needed to get it fixed. My son and my wife tried to get screws out. They could not. So it was up to me to fix the problem.
Okay. He's going to get another tool. That's if they even come out easily. But sometimes those are, I mean, it's just pieces of glass. Sometimes they've been in there so long and they get so warm that they will actually break. And if that happens to you, then you got to figure out how to get the broken pieces of glass out of your way so you can put in a new bulb. And we got our new bulb. Push that up into place. Throw the new bulb. Push that up into place. Now, the best thing to do after you put those bulbs in is, now I'm just using my sleeve just because I don't have a rag handy right now. Go ahead and wipe the bulbs off. Because the oil and dirt on your fingers and hands heat up that glass and it'll shatter in there. So it's best to go ahead and just give them a good wipe off after you put them in place. Because if you don't, it might be a problem later, so you save your problem later. So, turn on his lights and see if they even work. Yes, they are working.
We got bulbage.
Good job.
Now that we got bulbage, we put it all back in.